Happy Camellia Day. We are now on our way to Camellia Vera North. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Quirino Avenue in Novaliches. And ang nakikita nyo po ngayon ay SM City, Novaliches. So, ngayon nandito po tayo sa Quirino Highway going towards Susano Street, papasok ng Caloocan. Alam nyo ba na ang Caloocan ay ang 4th populous city in the Philippines? It has a total population of 1.5 million Filipinos. Caloocan po ay divided into two parts. Southern Caloocan, yung malapit po dun sa may Malabon, at Northern Caloocan. Papunta po tayo ngayon sa Northern Caloocan na kung saan nakalocate or nakasituate ang Camellia Vera North. Ang Camellia Vera North ay actually part of the Caloocan projects of Camellia, but technically it is in Bignay town in Valenzuela. It is accessible via a lot of routes. So we're taking one popular route, which is Quirino Highway, Susano, Tepano, Bagumbong, and then Camellia Vera North. Meron din pong daan galing sa sa North Luzon Expressway papasok ng Paseo de Blas, na kung saan nandoon ang Pure Gold. Mas maikli po doon actually, but we're taking this so that mas matutour po namin kayo papunta sa Camellia Vera North. Ang Camellia Vera North ay around 20 minutes away from SM Novaliches. Ito po ang Quirino Avenue. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Quirino Avenue. And as you know, Quirino Avenue is very well developed already with a lot of commercial developments, banks, schools, churches, hospitals, lahat po nandito sa Quirino Avenue. Ang Quirino Avenue ay nagsistretch all the way from North Luzon Expressway all the way up to San Jose del Monte hanggang papuntang Norsagaray. So mahabang-mahaba po ang Quirino Highway. It traverses Novaliches, Quezon City, Novaliches, Caloocan, all the way up to Bulacan. Dumidiretso pa rin po tayo dito sa Quirino Highway. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Quirino Highway. Papasok po tayo sa Susano Road. Pag kumanan po tayo dyan, yan po ang papuntang Fairview. Lilihis po tayo, didiretso tayo dito sa Susana Road. At dito po tayo ngayon sa Susano Market. Gaya po ng nasabi ko po kanina, dalawang areas po ang Caloocan. Southern Caloocan and Northern Caloocan. Ang Camellia Vera North ay natatagpuan po sa Southern Caloocan. Ang project po natin ay nasa border mismo ng Caloocan at Valenzuela. So pag titingnan lang po natin siya sa map, ilolocate lang po natin Bignay, Valenzuela dahil nandun po talaga siya. Bignay, Valenzuela. Susano Road is one of the major arteries of Caloocan. Sa diretso po ng Susano Road, nagsasanga po ito papuntang Deparo. Doon po tayo kakaliwa. So tandaan lang po natin, pag galing sa SM Novaliches, Quirino Highway, Susano Road, Deparo Road, and then Bagumbong, and then Camellia Vera North na po. Dito sa Caloocan actually, maraming ang major na industry dito ay manufacturing. There are a lot of manufacturing factories and warehouses located in Caloocan. Caloocan is also known for steel fabrication. Ang Caloocan ay originally part of Rizal. Pero hiniwalay na po siya sa Rizal at naging part na po siya ng Metro Manila. It is at the northernmost part of Metro Manila and is part of Camanava, which means Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, and Valenzuela. But originally, It was considered as part of Rizal Province. Ayan, nandito na po tayo sa sangandaan ng Deparo at Camarin. So dito po tayo sa kaliwa patungong Deparo. We're now along Deparo Road in Caloocan City. As you can see, there's an all-day branch, all-day convenience store. All-day is actually a brand under Vistaland Corporation also. It is under Vista Commercial, which is a branch of Vistaland. Galing po sa SM Novaliches, 2 rides lang papunta sa Camellia Vera North. Isang sakay po sa harap ng SM Novaliches papunta sa Bagumbong, at galing Bagumbong meron din naman po isang sasakyan, so 2 rides ng taga-sasakyan papunta Camellia Vera North. Dito po sa Deparo Road matatagpuan ang Pure Gold, hindi po pala sa Susana, dito sa Deparo Road. So ang Pure Gold po dito ay kompleto with fast food branches like Jollibee, at meron din pong Metrobank. This is around less than 2 kilometers away. We're less than 2 kilometers away to Camellia Vera North. Meron galing po dito sa Deparo, meron actually shortcut. Dito po yung kaliwaan, yung Kabatuhan Road papunta sa Camellia Vera North. Pero we'll take you around Bagumbong so that we can show you the area. But yung Bagumbong Road is actually a longer route. There's a shorter route dun po sa kaliwa sa Kabatuhan. Dinaanan lang po natin. Baliwan na po tayo dito sa Bagumbong Road. Galing po sa Deparo Road. Ang kanto ng Deparo Road, pakaliwa ng Bagumbong ay gas station Flying V. Ang Camellia po dito sa Caloocan ay matagal nang na-establish. Camellia Vera North is actually the 13th project of Camellia in Caloocan. We have been here for more than 10 years, developing communities after communities. And Camellia Vera North is the latest amongst all Camellia subdivisions that have been developed, that are being developed here in Caloocan. Ang mga existing po natin na Camellia subdivisions ay matatagpuan dito sa Bagumbong area. Madadaanan po natin later. Kakatuwa lang po tayo dito. As you can see, nandiyan na po ang ating directional going to Camellia Vera at Metro North. Kaliwa po tayo. Ito na po ang mga subdivisions ng Camellia. As we have mentioned earlier, Camellia had been in Caloocan for more than 10 years. We have established and complete communities already. That Camellia Vera North is actually the 13th subdivision of Camellia here in Caloocan. Sa kanan po natin ay ang Camellia Visea. Ito po. Sa kaliwa po natin ay ang one of the biggest communities of Camellia. Of course, with a branch ng All Day dito po. Actually, meron po tayo ditong shortcut papunta sa Deparo Street. Dito na po tayo sa malapit sa pasukan ng Camellia, Vera at Metro North. As you can see, pagpapasok po tayo dito sa Camellia, parang ibang mundo po talaga siya. And now, as you can see sa video natin, we are already almost finished with the first few areas of land development. That is still part of Camellia Vera North. As you can see, dire-diretso po ang ating mga house construction. And as roughly about almost 50% of the land development of the entire subdivision had already been finished. Welcome to Camellia, Vera at Metro North. We are now at the showcase area. Actually, the showcase area of Camellia is one of the newer showcase area. Dito po, nabukas ang showcase area po normally sa lahat ng subdivisions na binubuksan ng Camellia. Meron po tayong showcase area wherein doon po tayo nagtatayo ng ating mga model houses para ma-appreciate po ng ating mga buyers. So we have 3 model houses built. Ang nasa dulo po ay ang Freya. Ito naman po ang Ella, at ito naman po ang Cara, with a total of 10 hectares located at Barangay Bignay, along Bignay Road, with around 800 units, residential units.